Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Vision Innovative. So today we discuss about some interesting facts of the moon. So let's discuss about it. What created the moon and what are moonquakes? Discover 10 usual facts about our nearest celestial neighbor. 10 strange facts you don't know about the moon. What created the moon and what are moonquakes? Inside Investment Astronomy Photographer of the Year 2017 photographers share their top facts about the moon. Visit Inside Investment Astronomy Photographer of the Year. The moon is Earth's only permanent natural satellite. It is the fifth largest natural satellite in the solar system and the largest among planetary satellites related to the size of the planet that it orbits. The moon is the second densest satellite. Among these, whose densities are known anyway, the first densest is Jupiter's satellite Io. The moon always shows us the same face. The moon is in synchronous rotation with Earth. Its near side is marked by large dark plains that fill the space between the bright ancient crucial highlights and the prominent impact crater. The moon's surface is actually dark, although compared to the night sky it appears very bright, with a reflectance just slightly higher than that of the own astrolabe. Its gravitational influence produces the ocean tides, body tides, and the slight lightening of the day. The sun and the moon are not the same size. From Earth, both the sun and the moon look about the same size. This is because the moon is 400 times smaller than the sun, but also 400 times closer to Earth. The moon is drifting away from the Earth. The moon is moving approximately 3.8 cm away from our planet everywhere. The moon was made up when a rock smashed into the Earth. The most widely accepted explanation is the moon was created when a rock the size of Mars slammed into the Earth shortly after the solar system began forming about 4.5 billion years ago. The moon makes the Earth move as well as the tides. Everyone knows that the moon is partly responsible for causing the tides of our oceans and sea on the Earth, with the sun also having an effect. However, as the moon orbits the Earth, it also causes the tide of rock to rise and fall in the same way as it does with the water. The effect is not as dramatic as with the oceans, but nevertheless, it is a measurable effect, with the solid surface of the Earth moving by several centimeters with each other. The moon has quakes too. They are not called earthquakes but moonquakes. They are caused by the gravitational influence of the Earth. Unlike quakes on Earth that last only a few minutes at most, moonquakes can last up to the half an hour. They are much weaker than earthquakes though. There is water on the moon. This is the form of ice trapped within the dust and minerals on and under the surface. It has been detected on areas of the lunar surface that are in permanent shadow and are therefore very cold, enabling the ice to survive. The water on the moon was likely delivered to the surface by convection. The lunar cycle has an impact on human reproduction, in particular fertility, menstruation, and birth rate. Melatonin levels appear to correlated with the menstrual cycle. The full moon is a time of big emotions. You might find yourself feeling overwhelmed and a bit snappier than usual. The full moon also signals a few sleep changes, so you might find yourself lying awake at night or not sleeping as deeply as usual. So this is all for today's video. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest video notification. Thank you.